Here's some Golden Age Athens trivia. Subscribe. Which philosopher taught Alexander the Great? Is it A. Socrates, B. Aristotle, C. Kant, or Descartes? The correct answer is B. Aristotle. What was the primary assembly of Athenians called? Is it A. Heliaia, B. Ecclesia, C. Areopagus, or D. Agora? The correct answer is B. Ecclesia. Who is known for the concept of democracy in Athens? Is it A. Cleisthenes, B. Aeschylus, C. Socrates, or D. Thucydides? The correct answer is A. Cleisthenes. What was the primary theater venue in ancient Athens? Is it A. Theater of Dionysus, B. Colosseum, C. Amphitheater of Rome, or D. Odeon of Herodes? The correct answer is A. Theater of Dionysus. Which Athenian leader initiated major reforms in the economy? Is it A. Pericles, B. Draco, C. Solon, or D. Themistocles? The correct answer is C. Solon. What was the name of the goddess worshipped at the Parthenon? Is it A. Aphrodite, B. Demeter, C. Athena, or D. Artemis? The correct answer is C. Athena. Who wrote the famous tragedy Oedipus Rex? Is it A. Sophocles, B. Aeschylus, C. Aristophanes, or D. Euripides? The correct answer is A. Sophocles. What was the name of the Athenian naval alliance? Is it A. Peloponnesian League, B. Delian League, C. Spartan Alliance, or D. Corinthian Confederation? The correct answer is B. Delian League. Which city-state fought against Athens in the Peloponnesian War? Is it A. Syracuse, B. Athens, C. Argos, or D. Sparta? The correct answer is D. Sparta. Who was the main historian of the Peloponnesian War? Is it A. Plutarch, B. Thucydides, C. Herodotus, or D. Livy? The correct answer is B. Thucydides. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.